Today I am going to cover some of the important points on type of cements, its physical properties and how it is to be stored. The cement, basically cement is an adhesive substance. It is a binder which sets and hardens with other material, and its basic work is to bind them together. Here I would like to share with you that cement is very important material of civil engineering. However, it is very humble, very down to earth. Why I am telling? Because cement alone do not like to work. It is a team man person. Cement always requires sand and aggregate with it. It likes to work in team only. If you see around you where cement is being utilized, you will see that it is used with sand and aggregate. Sand and aggregate are very important members of its team. In fact, cement do not like to work without their presence. Mainly in the large work, there are number of type of cement, but if you see wherever the mass work is going on, mainly two type of cement are being utilized. It is ordinary Portland cement and Portland pozzolana cement. Portland pozzolana cement are coming in different grade. You must have seen in the bag marked with OPC 33, OPC 43, OPC 53. That grade is its compressive strength of cement. OPC 33 nowadays it is not being utilized much because 43 and 53 has come. But even though wherever it is used, it is preferred in a low strength concrete, plastering, flooring. Its main characteristic, it has a low compressive strength, but you can say its advantage, it is having a low heat of hydration. Like OPC 43 grade if you discuss, it is generally used in a concrete up to M30 grade. Mostly wherever precast members are cast, OPC 43 grade is used. It is largely available in market and largely utilized in construction also. Its name shows its compressive strength is 43 MPa, Newton per mm square. Third grade of ordinary Portland cement is OPC 53. It is also widely used. In fact, nowadays OPC 53 are being used more. It is at minimum compressive strength of 53 megapascal at 28 days. It's having little bit high heat of hydration, and that's why when 53 grade cement is used, we have to take some care to avoid syncrase crack. Whoever utilize OPC 53, they must have observed that spider like crack when it sets, it is formed when it gets hard. That care we have to take while using OPC 53 grade cement. Second variety of the cement which is also used largely, it is a PPC, Portland pozzolana cement. Portland pozzolana cement, it is used largely because fly ash like thing, it is utilized in the cement, and that's why we can say environment friendly also. It is used in hydraulic structure, dams, retaining wall, marine structure, wherever mass concrete is being done. Main characteristic if you see regarding PPC, it gives more strength over the time. On 28 days strength, of course there is not much difference between OPC and PPC, but when time pass, PPC, the concrete which is made with the Portland pozzolana cement, it gets more strength. The cement which I discussed, ordinary Portland cement and Portland pozzolana cement, they are widely used in large work. However, there are special purpose cement also. For the special purpose they are being utilized, like colored cement. Generally we denote it as a white cement. It is manufactured as per IS 8042. Apart from the color, almost all parameter of this cement is at par OPC. This is used for architectural beauty, interior and exterior decorations like terrazzo tile, flooring and ornamental concrete. Likewise, sulfate resisting cement, as its name indicates, it resists the sulfate. Wherever concrete come in the contact of sulfate, there this cement is being utilized. Then low heat cement, it is also OPC, but with some additive. It is made of the special characteristic. It is suited for the mass concrete like dam concrete, water retaining structure. It evolves less heat than OPC, and that's why avoid shrinkage cracks. Like rapid hardening cement, Generally rapid hardening cement is used in a repair type of work because it's hard early, rapidly hard, so it is suitable for repair. Like hydrophobic cement, it is also used in a dam, spillway, underwater construction. In this cement, some of the additives like acidol oxidized petroleum are added, which makes a thin film around cement particle, and due to this thin film, cement gets characteristic of resistance towards moisture, and due to its special characteristic, it can be stored in unfavorable, humid, wet condition also. When it is utilized in concrete, pores due to this cement's characteristic uniformly distributed in concrete, and the pores creates frost resistance and water resistance. Strength of this cement is almost same with the other cement, but advantage is that its resistance towards frost is higher than normal OPC or PPC cement. Super sulfate cement, it is also one of the sulfate resistant cement, but it is one grade higher than the normal sulfate resistant cement. And oil well cement, oil well cement is a special cement which is being utilized in the wherever the structure which are come in the contact with the crude or like that, where oil well cement is used. Other cement are expansive cement, air entering cement, quick setting cement. Like name shows, expansive cement, due to its virtue, it remains better whenever some grouting of bolt and like that type of use is required, there expansive cement is utilized. In air entering cement, when it is being utilized in the concrete, automatically by virtue of the cement, some of the air pockets creates. Quick setting cement, again its normal, it is setting time is little bit early than normal PPC. Normal PPC set within 30 minutes, initial setting is 30 minutes. Quick setting cement start early than OPC. Similarly, final setting time is also less in quick setting cement. By virtue of its quick setting, it is also preferred in maintenance type of work where time is less, like running road, in normal house maintenance also. Here I have listed out some physical property of cement: fineness, soundness, consistency, strength, setting time, bulk density, specific gravity. If we speak about fineness of cement, fineness is very important for its hydration process. If fineness is not as per the standard, its hydration process will not take place as per the specification and it will not result in enough strength. This is one of the important characteristic. In field, generally fineness is checked while taking the cement in the finger. Any lump we should not observe in the cement. Whereas in the lab, one sieve test is carried out. With the sample of 100 gram cement, it is being sieved with a 90 micron sieve, and out of that 100 gram cement, whatever residue remains over the 90 micron sieve, it is measured. As per specification, it should not be more than 10%. Similarly, soundness of cement. Soundness of cement is a property of cement not to shrink against hardening. It is ability of cement to retain its volume on hardening. Leak arterial and autoclave method is a method of testing the soundness. You must have seen that in a leak arterial method, it is a simple mold. We make the cement paste and place it for 24 hours. Then that mold is measured. After 24 hours of setting, what is the measurement of the mold? It is measured. Then after, that sample is placed in the water and water is bring to boiling point. After boiling the sample, the measurement is again taken. The difference between this measurement, preferably this difference should not be more. If this difference is more, it indicates that cement is not sound enough and it may expand over the time. Likewise, consistency. Consistency of the cement refers to ability of cement paste to flow. When wicket test is there, we can measure consistency of the cement. Then strength of cement, in which the mold of the cement with sand is made and strength of cement is checked. Like setting time. In setting time also, when mold is made, the mold of cement is made, and on penetration test is being carried out, and how much penetration is seen, based on that setting time is measured. Similarly, bulk density and specific gravity. Bulk density and specific gravity also, it is one of the lab tests and required to check before utilization in the work, because if specific gravity of the cement is not within its limit, it shows presence of some other substance in the cement. That's why it is very required. Generally, specific gravity of OPC is around 3.15 and PPC is around 2.90. This I have talked and physical property. There are other property of chemical property of cement. It is also of very much importance, and different tests are being carried out to check chemical property also, like to determine sulfuric anhydride, sulfuric content in the cement, magnesia content in the cement, total chloride, total alkaline. All this is measured to know the quality of the cement. For the physical property of the cement, IS 4031 is there, to refer that. All the physical property tests, IS is only one. In different part, the specification, method and everything have been given in IS 4031 for physical property of cement and IS 4032 for chemical property of the cement. Now I will come on the storage of the cement, how it should be stored, how it should be stacked, because cement as per the specification it is 100% correct, but if it is not stored properly, it will remain of no use. Within a no time it will set, or its original property it will lose. That's why storage of cement is very, very important. When cement comes on the site, first it should not be stored in an open. It should be stored in a building or a shed specially made for the storage of cement, and that shed should be leak proof, dry and moisture proof. It should have minimum windows and minimum doors. Purpose is that moisture may not enter, wetness may not enter in that building. Whatever window and doors are there, it should be closed fitting doors. When cement is stacked, it should not be stacked directly in contact with the floor. Generally on floor, first battens are placed. On that batten, wooden planks are placed, and then on wooden planks, cements are placed. It is preferable to keep 150 mm to 200 mm distance between cement bag and floor. This floor may be of lean concrete or 2 layer of dry bricks. We have to ensure that moisture from the floor may not come. Second important point, the space of 600 mm shall be left around the exterior wall and the cement stack. This is to avoid moisture and wetness to come inside. Individual stack of the cement, we have to see that bag should be placed as close as possible, so that in stack moisture may not enter. The height of the stack also we have to see. More than 10 bag we should not place in a one stack. Otherwise, not loading and unloading point of view, definitely it will be difficult. But more important, the lowermost bag will start to set. To avoid that setting, it is preferable not to place more than 10 bag in a one stack. If you place 8 bag, it is fine. In exceptional condition, you can store up to 10 bag in a stack. This width of the stack also we have to see that 4 bag, more than 4 bags should not be there in a one stack. And in lengthwise, if you see, it should not be more than 3 meter. And if you go for the higher stacking, higher means up to 10, more than 10 is not allowed. If you go for the stacking up to 10, it should be arranged alternatively, lengthwise and crosswise, to avoid toppling and to avoid accident. Similarly, we have to ensure that it should be stacked in a manner so that removal and use, it should be facilitated the removal and use in order in which they are received. It should be feasible that older cement we should be able to take it out early. It should not be happen that we are utilizing the cement which have come yesterday and the cement which have come 1 week back, it is still there. No, we have to ensure that the older cement will take out first. So stacking and storage should be done in that manner only. To ensure this thing, we should, and we can put label also on the stack that on this date this cement has come, on this date this cement has come, so that by seeing the date we can monitor this cement is more than 1 month old, we have to use it first. So likewise we can provide label. In monsoon, water may enter in our building in shade where cement has been stored. So we have to take more care so that dampness and wetness may not enter in the shade. That extra precaution is required. We can provide any type of waterproof membrane, and we can enclose our stack with a polythene sheet or any type of waterproof membrane so that cement may not damage due to wetness. Second important part is this also, taking out cement from completely from top to bottom in the one stack. It is preferable that it should be removed from 2 or 3 tier on the back side. I will show that in the sketch. This is a sketch of a typical storage shed of the cement, in which the stack have been shown from wall to stack distance of 600 mm shown, height of the stack have been shown. This have been taken from the IS. So this is the standard storage shed. Cement should be stacked and stored in this manner only. And then when we take out the cement, we should prefer to take it out in step. Like instead of taking all the bag from the one stack, we should start more from the first, little less than second, little less than third, likewise, so that toppling of the stack may not happen. Thank you very much for listening me. The topic which I have covered has a vast domain, so I would request to refer BIS code available on the topic. Thank you very much once again.